high, that's a good sign. And look who's the lead bull on my screen, Amazon and Apple. Good sign so far. Obviously, we're 1 minute and 30 seconds into the trading day. And that can change, but that's what bulls want to see consistently through the day. To see bulls follow through on the small gap up open is very different than the small gap up opens we've seen over the last month. So this is, for me, bulls proving Friday. And the last thing that I need for today is those hourly confirmed uptrends on Apple, Amazon, and QQQ, but they're giving themselves a whole bunch of space to work with. MARA cleared that. 433 level. Next level is 463. As Bitcoin continues to hold hourly EMA 12. Meta continues to be extremely strong. It's catching up to Amazon, our lead tech bull. Netflix is showing relative weakness versus Redbane on my screen. Netflix potentially shaping up hourly consolidation before peers. And I'm just going to keep scaling out some MARA as we head higher.
Hell no, we won't go. Hold on a second.
QQQ hits a new low today. That'll be the first indication of hourly consolidation shaping up. Netflix, with its initial weakness, is positioned better for bears. We've got the biotech sector rejecting just under high of Friday, and we're now testing the biotech sector's hourly support from Friday, 82.94. And again, if that breaks, it's a more convincing rejection. BABA with some profit taking on its gap up. So we know hourly consolidation will be inevitable on a lot of these names. It's just a question of at what point on the day. QQQ low of today is our important short-term support. Biotech sector broke 82.94 with some decent follow through. So remaining range bound for now. No bull break of resistance. TLRY getting hit really hard by its earnings reaction. So CGC failing the high of Friday and dumping right with it. Weak bear sector, remaining weak bears. Very quick 6% drop on CTC from the open.
Oh yeah, I need to log in.
PQQ, and we are fairly close to having all major sectors at the low of the day at the same time. And our normal, I should say our more recent over the last couple of months when that happened. Just because of how much space we have on hourly charts. So I'm not going to treat that the same way if it does happen. had Bears with really fast follow through. Almost a quick 1% drop on that 82.94 break. Tesla a decent pullback from initial strength, gap filled. Now we're watching is hourly consolidation going to shape up or not. Very similar to QQQ at this point. So aggressive bears trying to position for some hourly consolidation. NVDA already down a quick 1% from the high of the day. Name on my screen. Aside from the biotech sector. XBI support. Low of Friday is 81.15, still a ways away. At this point, bulls are just hoping for an inside bar. You can see the magnitude of that sell-off on the 5-minute RSI almost in the teens. If we were to drop down close to the low of Friday, there's a potential bottom fishing play. I would need to see another 50-cent plus drop. If MARA fails 448 here, I'm going to take off the remainder of my swing position just because 7% in the first 9 minutes of trading is definitely good enough for me to be locking in. QQQ not really rolling over at this moment. The bulls are putting up a little bit of a fight here to try and prevent that hourly consolidation. All out MARA, just locking it in. We're going to get interested again in MARA. It can be potentially a 5-minute higher low compared to the low today if I want to be aggressive, otherwise waiting for the hourly. There is some extended hours resistance here at 450, which we are struggling at. Possible it breaks, bulls are hanging on. XBI continues to approach that low of Friday. We got within about 20% or so. Keep hanging on. And Amazon lead bull hanging out near the high of the day. Checking in on the metals and the dollar. It's not doing much since the open. Dollar has a little 15-minute bounce underway, but potentially shaping up a 15-minute lower high. XLF with some initial morning weakness. I'd say from the open, XLF is the weaker of the major sectors. A bit better. Apple's starting to slow down a bit. If Apple hits a new low of the day, it's obviously going to stand out to us. $130.46, low of the day being tested on Apple as QQQ is back towards the low of the day. Checking in on the futures resistance for the NASDAQ here, this double top, it's definitely a more convincing break at this point. And that's now getting the weekly bounce. A bit of follow through on the NASDAQ. But again, we know hourly consolidation on some of these names is definitely going to be due at some point. Meta is fading a bit. So let's keep an eye. Meta on Friday gave us the first red day of Meta divided by QQQ. Let's see if that's now starting daily consolidation. Looks like Meta is weakening a bit relative to QQQ as Amazon is strengthening. They're taking a little bit of a role reversal. So Amazon divided by QQQ broke the high of last week and just got to the highest level in a month. Over a month. And so Meta Bull's taking a bit of a breather after being the leader for so long and tagging in Amazon to try and take over as a lead bull for a bit. And Apple divided by QQQ is still not doing much. No potential daily bear flag. But at least initially it's just a little switcheroo from Meta and Amazon. Back to the high of the day, led by Amazon at its high. Apple held its low of the day. So QQQ staying in control of the bulls. Tesla trying to recover back to the high. Aggressive bear is going to attempt the top. This is the kind of morning after the strength of Friday where I would probably try one bear trade for me personally with a top fishing level. And if I fail, then I would just patiently be waiting for hourly consolidation. Apple held the low of the day and is now trying to break the high of the day. It would be notable if 131.44 can break. Biotech sector trying to get a 5-minute oversold bounce going. It's still weak at the moment. We would have to see a 2-minute uptrend confirm if this 5-minute bounce is going to have any follow through. But again, so far everything on the morning is confirming to me the move from Friday. And again, it's been a long time since we've seen convincing back-to-back bull days for the broader market. Tesla new high of the day. Still watching that 124 level. Even Netflix, which was our initial lead there, is seeing a solid 50% plus retracement bounces. QQQ continues to hold on for the bulls. Apple, I still consider a double top at the moment. Trying to follow through more convincingly. Meta still has a whole bunch of space under its high of the day. And again, I'm watching for this to be a theme in terms of Meta weakening and Amazon strengthening. Maybe Apple joins in strengthening, but I may be interested in a Meta 5-minute lower high.
Just brought some Alibaba calls as QQQ continues to go up. Hoping it takes Alibaba with it. Stop below 110.90. You want to accidentally hit the fucking ass though. Yeah, accidentally slapped the ask.
Very strong morning. Uranium bulls following through a bit. So keep an eye on Baba and Meta and a couple of the names that pull back a bit more to see if they fail their high of the day. Bigger picture, where do we stand on SPY compared to our 2-week resistance? I'll tell you, we've got just approaching 50% retracement.
Damn, should have sold some.
5-minute bull volume increasing on QQQ is a good sign for bulls. MARA heading up to that 463 resistance, which we broke. Next level 484. And watching Meta, 131.50 is a little resistance level. If we reject from that and QQQ starts 5-minute consolidation, probably short Meta and use that as a close by stop. We had a 5-minute stair step on QQQ, the last 3 candles, something to be watching short term. Yet XLF and XLV are not doing anything, they are flat on the day. So this is QQQ doing exactly what the broader market bulls want to see. Leading on the day. NVDA Okay, significant follow through of almost 6%. Next resistance on NVDA is 161.38. And now with the size of this morning move, we are creating space for 5-minute higher lows to try and form next consolidation. Biotech sector still not benefiting from this strength at all. 5-minute bear flag confirmed. Low of Friday, 81.15 coming into play. It's all QQQ names. This morning's strength. MARA is a 5-minute stair step. Keeping an eye out for a potential short-term climax to look for 5-minute consolidation. Just grabbed a meta short. I'm going to put my stop over 131.76. It's a very low risk top fish attempt. Looking for the 5-minute lower high. I actually need to do a little math here. I think I can have a good bit more wiggle room than that.
That comes down for the day, bro.
131. We'll go 132.01. It's only giving back a small amount of MARA profit. And the logic there is just knowing that Meta is positioned well for a 5-minute lower high once QQQ gets 5-minute consolidation going. It's just a question of when is QQQ going to get 5-minute consolidation underway. This will pretty much be my one bear attempt on the morning. And if I stop out, then I patiently wait.